3, 2, 1.
From which college did American actress Deborah Messing graduate? The answer is C. Brandeis. China is the most populous nation in the world. India is second, and the USA is third. What is the fourth most populous nation in the world?
The answer is D. Indonesia.
When organisms penetrate a rock, they accelerate breakdown by chemical means and what other means? The answer is D. Mechanical. The Taj Mahal is a mausoleum located in which country? The answer is C. India. What happens to a chain of amino acids after it reaches a stop codon? The answer is C. Released from the ribosome. A student uses a pH meter to measure the acidity of a water sample from a lake. For what purpose is the student most likely testing the water? The answer is A. To learn what organisms could survive in the lake. Who won the first ever Super Bowl in 1967? The answer is B. Green Bay Packers. What is it called when waves interact with other waves? The answer is C. Wave interference. What is it that you can't hold in one hand but can hold in two? The answer is C. Rope. What is it called when two species evolve matching traits? The answer is B. Coevolution. What type of cheese would you be most likely to add to the top of a classic French onion soup? The answer is C. Gruyere. Air is composed of many different substances. Which of the following components of air is a compound rather than an element? The answer is C. Water, H2O. Which fashion brand created the UGG boot? The answer is D. UGG, Australia. Who played the role of Marcus Welby on ABC drama Marcus Welby, MD? The answer is B. Robert Young. Which of these characters does not belong to Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix? The answer is D. Ginny Weasley. What do people mean when type the letters IDK in a message on the internet? The answer is B. I don't know. Some metabolic pathways release what by breaking down complex molecules to simpler compounds? The answer is C. Energy. Mount Everest lies in which country? The answer is C. Nepal. Which TV show features Dwight Schrute and Jim Halpert as main characters? The answer is D. The Office. Tendon, cartilage, and bone are examples of what type of tissue that supports and binds other tissues of the body. The answer is C, connective tissue. What college did Gerald Ford attend? The answer is B, Yale. Who was the ruler of Sparta during the Peloponnesian War? The answer is D, Lysander. A student rapidly rubs the palms of both hands together. Which sequence correctly describes the energy transformations that occur? The answer is A, chemical mechanical heat. Where in the world would you most expect to be served chilo kebab? The answer is B, Iran. What results when the water vapor from a hot shower contacts the cooler surface of a mirror? The answer is D, foggy mirror. Which war was fought between India and Pakistan over Kashmir in 1947–1948? The answer is D, First Kashmir War. What is the smallest particle that has mass? The answer is B, proton. The shape of earlobes is an example of what kind of trait, which is influenced by genes and passed along through generations? The answer is A, inherited trait. According to the electromagnetic spectrum, which region is the most energetic? The answer is C, gamma. What is a small crustacean related to shrimp and lobster? The answer is A, crab. Which mountain range has Mt. Everest? The answer is C, Himalayas. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The answer is D, Bangalore. A planet that revolves around a star is exposed to what? The answer is C, solar rays. When did the Native Americans finally receive U.S. citizenship through the Indian Citizenship Act? The answer is C, 1924. So, You Are a Lawyer is the Chinese title of this movie. The answer is B, Interview with the Vampire. Which organism is responsible for creating a bioluminescent beach? The answer is D, dinoflagellates. What is the real name of singer and actress Fergie from Black Eyed Peas? The answer is A, Stacy. Who is a proponent of ethical egoism? The answer is D, Ayn Rand. According to the accepted theory, how old was Jesus when he was crucified? The answer is D, 33. What is the state animal of the U.S. state of South Dakota? The answer is D, coyote. In the French academic dress system, what academic field is symbolized by the red currant color and extremely red shade of pink? The answer is B, medicine. How many months have 28 days? The answer is D, 12. What is a small, round yellow citrus fruit with a hard rind? The answer is B, lemon. What word defines a person who lives in seclusion for religious reasons? The answer is B, anchorite. Which fact best explains why most evaporation happens in the oceans? The answer is C. About 97% of Earth's water is ocean water. The TV series The Wonder Years, created by Carol Black and Neil Marlins, focuses on which fictional family? The answer is B, the Arnolds. In type 2 diabetes, body cells do not respond to normal amounts of what hormone? The answer is A, insulin. Who is known as the patron of India? The answer is C, Francis Xavier. While in the lungs, blood gives up carbon dioxide and picks up what element before returning to the heart? The answer is D, oxygen. What was the first email ever sent?